How important is a secure password? Well, if you are working for a client or business outside the office, then it's extremely important. So let us take a look at how to create a strong password to secure our client and business data. Let us take a look at what makes a bad password. Passwords, what not to do. Don't use your own birthday. Don't use people's names. Don't use personal information. Don't use dictionary words. So let's look at what makes a good password. Making a good password. Make a long password, minimum 12 characters. Include numbers, symbols, capital and lowercase letters. Stay away from dictionary words. So how about this amazing password? 16 characters long, check. Includes numbers, symbols, capital and lowercase letters, check. Does not use dictionary words, check. I already forgot the password. I need a password that I can remember and that the computer can't guess. But how? Let's answer these questions and see if we can create a password. A favorite movie. A favorite sports team and big victory year. A favorite video game. Name of a favorite anime or cartoon character. Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. Baltimore Ravens 2013 Super Bowl. Final Fantasy III. Nami. Now let's turn these answers into a secure password. I think it's time to combine these password answers and see if this is a secure password. It looks random, but is not random to me. Let's compare it to the long password that I could not remember. Mine looks just as random, and I can remember it. I got my computer out. Let's see how secure a new password is using Password Security Check. "10,000 centuries to crack?" Since it's going to take 10,000 centuries to crack the password, I guess our work here is done.